Hey, fantastic Psyche Up viewers! Today, we're diving into something that's universally important: winning hearts and making people like you. Whether you're trying to make a lasting impression, build meaningful connections, or simply be more likable, these 11 signs will guide you on your journey. Sign 1. Genuine interest. Genuine interest is the cornerstone of building meaningful connections and winning hearts. It's about more than just polite conversation. It's a genuine curiosity about others and a sincere desire to understand them. When you show genuine interest, you're not only asking questions but actively listening to the answers, soaking in every detail, and empathizing with the speaker's emotions. It's about making the person in front of you feel valued, heard, and understood. Whether it's asking about their day, their passions, or their dreams, showing genuine interest creates a space for authentic connection to blossom. Sign 2. Empathy. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, is a fundamental aspect of human connection. It goes beyond sympathy or mere understanding. It involves truly putting oneself in another person's shoes and experiencing their emotions as if they were your own. When we practice empathy, we open ourselves up to a deeper understanding of others' experiences, perspectives, and struggles. It allows us to connect on a profound level, fostering compassion, trust, and mutual respect. Empathy enables us to offer genuine support and comfort to those in need, providing a safe space for them to express themselves without fear of judgment. It's about listening with an open heart, offering a shoulder to lean on, and validating the feelings of others. By cultivating empathy in our interactions, we not only enrich our relationships but also contribute to a more compassionate and understanding world. Sign 3. Authenticity. Authenticity is the art of being true to oneself, embracing one's unique qualities, quirks, and imperfections without fear or pretense. It involves aligning your actions, words, and values with your true self rather than conforming to societal expectations or putting on a facade to please others. When you embrace authenticity, you radiate a genuine sense of confidence and integrity that is irresistible to those around you. People are naturally drawn to authenticity because it fosters trust, transparency, and genuine connections. By embracing your authentic self, you invite others to do the same, creating an environment where everyone feels accepted and valued for who they truly are. Authenticity is not about seeking approval or validation from others. It's about honoring your own truth and living in alignment with your deepest convictions. So dare to be yourself unapologetically, and watch as others are inspired to do the same. Sign 4. Positivity. Positivity is like a ray of sunshine that brightens even the darkest of days. It's about maintaining an optimistic outlook, finding the silver lining in every situation, and spreading joy wherever you go. When you radiate positivity, you not only uplift your own spirits but also inspire those around you to see the world through a brighter lens. Positivity is infectious, and people are naturally drawn to those who exude optimism and enthusiasm. Whether it's offering words of encouragement, sharing a heartfelt smile, or simply emitting positive energy, your attitude has the power to lift others up and make a meaningful difference in their lives. So choose positivity every day, and watch as it transforms not only your own life, but also the lives of those you encounter. Kindness is the language of the heart, a universal currency that transcends barriers and brings people together in harmony. It's about extending compassion, empathy, and generosity towards others, regardless of their background or circumstances. Whether it's a smile, a helping hand, or a thoughtful gesture, acts of kindness have the power to make a profound impact on both the giver and the receiver. When you practice kindness, you create ripple effects of positivity that spread far and wide, touching the lives of everyone you encounter. Kindness fosters a sense of community, belonging, and mutual support, creating a world where compassion reigns supreme. So embrace kindness as a way of life, and watch as it transforms not only the lives of others, but also your own. Kindness is the language of the heart, a universal currency that transcends barriers and brings people together in harmony. It's about extending compassion, empathy, and generosity towards others regardless of their background or circumstances. Whether it's a smile, a helping hand, or a thoughtful gesture, acts of kindness have the power to make a profound impact on both the giver and the receiver. When you practice kindness, you create ripple effects of positivity that spread far and wide, touching the lives of everyone you encounter. Kindness fosters a sense of community, belonging, and mutual support, creating a world where compassion reigns supreme. So embrace kindness as a way of life and watch as it transforms not only the lives of others but also your own. Sign 6. Respect. Respect is the cornerstone of healthy interactions and meaningful connections. It's about acknowledging the inherent worth and dignity of every individual, regardless of differences in opinions, backgrounds, or beliefs. When you treat others with respect, you create an atmosphere of mutual understanding, acceptance, and appreciation. Respect involves listening actively, valuing diverse perspectives, and refraining from judgment or prejudice. By demonstrating respect in your words and actions, you foster trust, build rapport, and cultivate harmonious relationships with those around you. Respect is not just about being polite. It's about recognizing the humanity in others and honoring their inherent rights and autonomy. So lead by example and let respect guide your interactions in every aspect of life. Sign 7. Listening. Listening is more than just hearing. It's about fully engaging with others and seeking to understand their thoughts, emotions, and experiences. When you give someone your undivided attention, you validate their feelings and demonstrate that their words matter. Active listening involves making eye contact, nodding in acknowledgement, and providing verbal and nonverbal cues to show that you're tuned in. By practicing active listening, you create a safe and supportive space for open communication and mutual respect. It allows you to connect on a deeper level, build trust, and strengthen relationships with those around you. So, the next time someone speaks, remember to listen with your heart as well as your ears and watch as your connections flourish. Humor is a powerful tool for building connections and fostering a positive atmosphere. It lightens the mood, reduces tension, and creates a sense of camaraderie among individuals. When you share a joke or a light-hearted moment, you invite others to let their guard down and join in the fun. Humor transcends cultural and linguistic barriers, bringing people together through shared laughter and joy. It's a reminder not to take life too seriously and to find amusement in the everyday moments. Whether it's a witty remark, a playful gesture, or a funny story, humor has the ability to uplift spirits and leave a lasting impression. So don't hesitate to sprinkle some humor into your interactions, and watch as it transforms the atmosphere around you into one filled with smiles and laughter. Sign 9. Gratitude. Gratitude is the practice of acknowledging and expressing appreciation for the blessings, kindness, and support we receive in our lives. It's about recognizing the goodness in others and the world around us, even in the smallest of gestures. When we cultivate an attitude of gratitude, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, fostering a sense of abundance and contentment. Expressing gratitude not only strengthens our relationships, but also uplifts the spirits of those around us. A simple thank you can brighten someone's day, affirming their efforts and contributions. Gratitude reminds us to be mindful of the beauty and generosity that surround us each day, enhancing our overall well-being and resilience. So let us embrace gratitude as a daily practice, spreading positivity and warmth wherever we go. Sign 10. Confidence. Confidence is the belief in oneself and one's capabilities, emanating a sense of self-assurance and assurance that is undeniably appealing. When you possess confidence, you exude a magnetic energy that captivates those around you. It's about embracing your strengths, acknowledging your worth, and standing tall in the face of challenges. Confidence isn't about being perfect or without doubt. It's about recognizing your potential and taking bold steps forward, despite any uncertainties. When you have confidence in yourself, you inspire others to have confidence in you as well. It's a trait that commands respect, instills trust, and opens doors to new opportunities. So nurture your confidence, cultivate it like a precious flower, and watch as it blossoms, enriching your life and leaving a lasting impression on those you encounter. Sign 11. Adaptability. Adaptability is the ability to adjust to new circumstances, navigate unexpected challenges, and thrive in ever-changing environments. It's about remaining flexible, resilient, and open-minded, even when faced with uncertainty or adversity. When you embrace adaptability, you become like a bamboo in the wind, bending but never breaking. It's not about resisting change, but rather embracing it as an opportunity for growth and transformation. By staying adaptable, you can navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience, turning obstacles into stepping stones toward success. Adaptability is a hallmark of strength and resilience, demonstrating your ability to overcome obstacles and emerge stronger on the other side. So embrace change, stay nimble, and watch as your ability to adapt becomes your greatest asset in both work and life. And there you have it, 11 signs to win hearts and make people like you. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being genuine, kind, and respectful. So go out there and let your light shine bright. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Until next time, take care.